How to enter promo code in Bolt app. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can enter promo code in the Bolt app. And here is how to go about it. The first step is to sign in into your Bolt account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page where you'd see a map, okay? Displaying places and that you can get to on Bolt. And then the next thing to do is to move to the top left corner of the screen where you can see three horizontal lines. And then once you've seen it, click on it. After clicking on this line, the next thing to do is to move to promotions. All right, promotions is located below payment. So after clicking on promotion, you can now see the enter code option. All right, so just click on enter code and then enter in your promo code. Then after entering your promo code, the promo would be applied to your next ride. So just click on apply and then just like that, the promo would be applied and kept for you. So this is how it works. This is how we can enter promo code in the Bolt app. Thanks for watching and have a good day.